So here's the dumbbells. Just arrived in this package and we're just gonna open them up. Alright guys, let me show you the inside. This is what comes in the package. Got this one right here. In this box. Alright guys, so in this box, there's going to be for Dumbell. So we get those. And we get a couple of these. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4 here, another 4 over here. Alright guys, so I'm here to show you I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of 1.25 kilograms. This is a 2 kilograms and I got 4 of those as well, and one other 4 of 1.5. So it's 1.25, 1.5, and 2. And they're 4 each. There is some like dust that you can see off of here, but I mean nothing that you can't clean off. There's some type of residue that you definitely have to watch out and wash before you use it. And I'm just gonna show you one put together. Okay guys, so I armed these. They're two 2.5s. I mean sorry, two 2Ks. 2Ks. Okay guys, so I armed these. Each one has 2 kilograms, and this is a 1.25, I believe. Yeah, 1.25. So 2 of these and 2 1.25s, and they're both like that. Just to what I can do right now, and I was just showing you guys that you just basically screw these on. Like I said, I still have to wipe these off. So you screw this on, you just push these in. It has this nice sturdy grip, and you make them up to your liking. I'll just put this one on to show you how it looks as a whole barbell. And you just screw it on like that. Twist it, twist it, twist it, and it's all the way in. I'm not sure if these are supposed to be on there, but I'm keeping them on for now. Just so I can secure it. And I'll grab this one and I'll move it over here and put it on this side just so you can see it has all that screw. It looks like it's made out of plastic. We'll see if it lasts. So I think you can do an arm it like this, and you can also take these out and just have all of them on that side. I'm going to try it like this first, and then the other way around, like you normally see just on one side. Probably be safer to do it just one side. But as you can make different combinations with the different weights, however you feel more comfortable. They look really sturdy. They are like made out of plastic and whatnot, and they have stuff inside. Like I said, they came pretty quick. Again, these are the Amazon weights, and if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Enjoy.